Hi dear learners, I hope you are really well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear learners, today I have presented myself in front of you to take another important class on sentence connector. And you know, in the previous class I have finished for you transformation, that is simple, complex and compound, and today I have collected to teach you, and I have presented in front of you myself with another important topics like a sentence connector. So don't neglect any topic which are very important for you. Okay, dear learners, sentence connector I am going to discuss today. I am going to discuss sentence connector. First of all, you have to know what is sentence connector. Sentence connector are those words that are used to connect more and more words, sentence and clauses. Again I repeat, sentence connector are those words that are used to connect two or more words, phrases and sentence. Okay, that means sentence connector always connect new words, two or more than two words, two clauses and more sentences and clauses. That is called sentence connector. Dear learners, to be skilled in sentence connector, you have to know the meaning of the topics which I have written on the board in front of you, and for your easy understanding I am going to discuss the topics and these some words. Okay, if, dear learners, for sentence connector, these kinds of words are really essential. Okay, sentence connector is really essential for writing paragraph or writing essay and any kinds of writing. Okay, so be careful. If as a result or otherwise, so, therefore, but, though, since, oblique, as, and, when, what, where and which. These words are very essential and these words are very important when you write sentence connector. Okay, now I am giving an example for every topics for your easy understanding. Okay, if means condition. If indicates a condition. Okay, if, examples, if indicates condition. Okay, that means if you come in time, I will meet you. Okay, if you come in time, I will meet you. Okay, dear learners, if indicates condition. Okay, if you play well, if you play well, you will win. If you play well, you will win the game. Okay, that is condition. If indicates condition. If you read more and more, you will pass in the exam. If you study a lot, if you write a lot, your handwriting will be beautiful. If you learn word meaning more and more, you will be skilled in vocabulary. Okay, that means if indicates condition. If indicates condition. I hope I am optimistic that you have really understood about if. Okay, then as a result means outcome, result. That means when a man works something, what will the outcome of this, or what is the outcome of these deeds? This is called as a result. Okay, as a result, the boy was lazy. The boy was lazy. The boy was lazy. He could not study well. As a result, he did not obtain a good result. Obtain a good result. Look at the board. As a result, the boy was lazy. That means he was lazy. He couldn't study well. As a result, he did not obtain a good result. Okay? The boy was so lazy and he couldn't study well, and as a result, he didn't obtain a good mark. That means he didn't obtain a good result, a brilliant result. Okay? As a result. I hope you have understood. As a result, he did not obtain a good result. Then, or. It indicates negation, that means negative meaning, or indicates negative meanings, that means or move or you will die. Move or die. Okay? Move or die. Move indicates the negative meaning. Okay? Walk fast or you will walk fast. Walk fast or you will miss the train. Walk fast or you will miss the train. Okay? Walk fast or you will read attentively. Read attentively or you will not be able to obtain a good mark. Walk fast or you will miss the train. Or, okay? I hope you have really understood about the using of or. Dear learners, next otherwise and or indicates the same meaning basically. Example, you have to note it what I am going to write on the board, my dear learners. The student must study well. The student must study well, otherwise the students must study well, otherwise they will not be able to gain a brilliant result. Students, look at the board. The students must study well. The students must study well, otherwise they will not be able to gain a brilliant result. That means otherwise indicates the negative meaning. Okay? You must walk fast, otherwise you will miss the train. Move or you will die. Okay? Otherwise. I hope it is clear to you. Okay? Otherwise. Dear learners, for your easy understanding, you must write this example with me from the board. Okay? You must write example. Next, so the man was rich. The man was rich, so he is able. The man is rich. The man is rich, so he is able to help the poor. Able. The man is rich, so he is able to help the poor. Okay? Another example, the boy was punctual. See, the boy was punctual, so he obtained a plus in the exam. So, the boy was punctual. Okay, dear students, now I am discussing about though oblique so. Okay, so and therefore, so and therefore indicate the same meaning. Okay, before some minutes before I have discussed the utilization of so, and now I am discussing about therefore, the using of therefore. Look at the board and take example. Industry is the key to success. Industry is the key to success. Those who prospered in life were industrious. Industry is the key to success. Industry is the key to success. Those who prospered in life, those who prospered in life were industrious. Therefore, we should work hard to prosper in life. Look at the board, my dear learners. Those who prospered in life, those who prospered in life were industrious. Therefore, we should work hard to prosper in life. That means, if we want to be prosper, if we want to be successful in life, we have to work hard to be successful in life. That means, therefore we should work hard to prosper in life. Okay. Next, now I am discussing about but, the usage of but. But indicates conditions. Okay. That means the man was rich. The man was rich, but he led a simple life. Okay. The man was rich. The man was rich, but he led a simple life. Okay. Another example for you. The boy had a glorious result, but he couldn't get chance. The boy had a glorious result, but he couldn't get chance in a reputed college. Look at the board, my dear learners. The boy had a glorious result. The boy had a glorious result, but he couldn't get chance in a reputed college. Okay. But indicates condition. Okay. Next topic is though. Example: though the man has a lot of wealth, he cannot donate to the poor. Though the man has a lot of wealth, that means the man has a lot of wealth, but he cannot donate to the poor. Okay. That means, in spite of having a lot of wealth, the man cannot donate the poor. Though the man has a lot of wealth, he cannot donate the poor. Okay. Another example: you are unhappy. Though you are rich, you are unhappy. Though you are rich, you are unhappy. Okay, dear learners, I am optimistic that you have understood the using of though. Okay. Now I will discuss about since. It's very important and interesting topic. Since oblique is. Since oblique is. Since I was tired, I couldn't. Since I was tired, I couldn't attend the meeting. I couldn't attend the meeting. Since. Next is, dear learners, you know that since and as indicates the same meaning. You will use since or as in any sentences to express the meaning of that sentence. Okay. As the man was lazy, he could not shine in life. He could not shine in life. As the man was lazy, he couldn't shine in life. As the man was lazy, he couldn't shine in life. Okay, dear learners, now I will discuss about the use of and. Work hard and you will be successful in life. Work hard or you will be successful in life. Work hard and you will be successful in life. That means if you work hard, you will be successful in life. And two clauses and is used to express the full meaning of two clauses. Okay. Work hard and you will be successful in life. Get early in the morning and enjoy get early in the morning, get up early in the morning and enjoy fresh air. Get up early in the morning and enjoy fresh air. Okay. Next topic is WH question. Dear learners, here some WH questions are here. When, what, where, which. When, where, which, how. These words are called WH question. Okay. WH question. I am going to discuss two WH question today, inshallah. When, what you know, I know also. Look at the board and see the word what you know, I know also. The using of what. Okay. When he will come, I don't know. When he will come, I don't know. That means his coming time, I don't know. Okay. What you know, I know also. And when you will come, I don't know. That means I have used two sentences by giving when and what. Okay. Dear learners, today I have discussed the connectors in details about taking some points if as a result or otherwise, since, as, though, therefore, but, since, as, and where. Which pen is here is belongs to me. Okay. That means this is the use of WH question. Okay. Connectors, again I am repeating this topic. Connectors are those words that are used to connect two or more phrases, clauses and words. That means connectors are used to connect some two clauses and two phrases. Okay, that will express the full meaning. Okay, connectors. When you will connect the words, you have to bear in mind that sentence must be in meaningful sentence. This sentence which you will write will be the meaningful sentence. Otherwise, you will not get the good mark by writing connectors. Okay, dear learners, I have given many examples today about connectors in scattered sentence. That means different sentences. But in this question paper, in your question paper, especially 9 and 10, in your question paper, connectors will come in the question paper by giving passage. According to passage, that means connectors will come according to passage. That means as paragraph, one kind of paragraph with passage. Okay, but for easy understanding, I have given many examples by giving scattered sentence. That means various sentences to your easy understanding. But you have to bear in mind, in your question paper, connector will come according to passage. That means as paragraph. Okay, such as, I am going to finish my lecture by giving this example for you. Student life is called a golden period of life. Student life is called a golden period of life. Okay, so students should use this time properly. Okay, my dear learners, this is the last example for your class. Student life is called a golden period of life. So students should use this time properly. Okay, in your question paper, connectors will come in such way as paragraph. That means passage. Okay, you have to answer 5 connectors A, B, C, D and E. You have to write 5 connectors in 5 fill in the blanks. Okay, dear learners, I am going to finish my class in here. I have discussed connectors in details. You have to practice more and more. You must memorize the words which I have given and written on the board, and you have to practice more and more. Okay, dear learners, be happy and stay happy. You must practice, and you have to learn more and more words, odd meaning to understand the meaning of the passage. Okay, thanks a lot. May Allah bless you. Be happy and stay happy.